This is next week's project. Have I looked at it since I bought it? No. Do I know what it needs? No. Do I even know what kind of engine it has in it? No. How long do I have to get it ready to take up north with the kids? Less than a month. So I think got a lot of work to do. Hey guys, Nick from Blacktop Cruisers, working on our next project here. Little Go Kart for the kids. I went through a list of what it needs. It needs a new engine, needs a new master cylinder, and that's at the very least. When we got it, the steering was notchy, but that was because the U-joint wasn't pushed up far enough on the steering column. Leo, say hi. What are you working on? You gotta show them what you're working on.
I'm screwing this and this.
Why?
I don't know. You didn't tell me why.
Because we need to drop it so we can get the engine out, right?
Wait. Tell me.
Okay, keep working. So, as you can see here, everything's kind of been hacked on quite a bit. So we got a lot of welding to do. There's a missing bracket here. There's a lot to do. I think we're just going to put the stock engine, a stock replacement in. I think what these people were trying to do was trying to get the engine out without dropping the cradle. Oh, you know what? We don't need to do those bolts. What we need to do...
I just found it.
Well, no, yeah we do. Never mind. We do need to take those out.
This is too small for this.
Well, make sure you keep it because you need it for the nut, right? So, anyways, that's what we're working on. We're going to drop this. The right way to take these out, instead of hacking all this off, you drop this whole rear cradle and you pull it back and you unbolt the engine and it comes out the front like that. So, a few more bolts and we'll have it out. All right, what are we doing?
Just finishing up getting the nuts off. We're planning to take this down nice and easy.
So after doing a little more research, sounds like your nice cheap $100 or $300 replacement 150cc engines are usually no more than 125cc, and you got to change the output shaft on them and a few other things. So I think because of how far hacked this rear subframe is, I think what we're going to do is we're just going to continue the hacking. We're going to hack it off the top part, and then we're going to buy a plate, and I think we're going to go with a 420cc Predator engine. So that stuff should be here hopefully next week.